Welcome to the show. Today, we're discussing a recent ruling by federal judge Daniel Hovland. This ruling was in response to the Biden administration's rule regarding federal protection of waterways located in 24 different states in the U.S. Such protection is outlined under the 1972 Clean Water Act, and the ruling will have a significant effect on streams, creeks, wetlands, lakes, and more from Alabama to Wyoming, and everywhere in between. Let's dive a bit deeper. The Biden administration initially put forth a new clean water rule, which was meant to repeal a Trump-era rule that, among other things, left waterways open to pollution. This successful enactment of this new rule would provide federal protection to a wider range of sources, which means increased safety when it comes to drinking water and a greater abundance of safe sources of water in general. However, this sentiment was not shared by all. Republican-led states and numerous other business, agriculture, and real estate interests took up arms and sued against the rule, citing a lack of constitutional grounds and describing such federal protection as an example of federal overreach. Last month, the Senate even proposed a resolution that, had it passed, would have overturned the protections outlined in Biden's rule, but the resolution was vetoed by President Joe Biden. Regardless, Judge Hovland decided to issue a temporary injunction that would prevent any progress to be made on the Clean Water Rule in over half of the U.S., from Alabama to Wyoming. What makes this ruling particularly interesting is that it has come not long before the Supreme Court is set to rule on a similar challenge. The case in question, Sackett v. Environmental Protection Agency, is a scenario wherein a wetland located on private land in Idaho is being determined as protected under the Clean Water Act. The Environmental Protection Agency and the Department of the Army have declared that they believe Biden's rule to be the best interpretation of the Clean Water Act, and they will continue to stand by it, yet the question of how or if this decision will be upheld is up in the air. It is far too early to say what will become of the judge's ruling or the Supreme Court hearing that awaits, but only time will tell how these scenarios will unfold. We're curious to hear your thoughts on the future of Biden's Clean Water Rule. Let us know in the comments. Until next time, thank you for watching.